In this video, we'll show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option using your credit or debit card. First of all, you need to log into your account, then click Finance on the left-hand side menu and go to Deposit. Right here, we'll see Visa, MasterCard, USD deposit option. This depends on your country. It's not available in all of the countries, all of the regions, guys, but at the moment, I can use this payment method. So if you have got credit or debit card, choose Visa, MasterCard option right here, click on it. The minimum amount is $20, maximum is $50,000, commission is 0%. And for example, you are depositing $100, you need to enter the amount right here, click on deposit. Then you need to enter your card information, your card number, cardholder's name, expiration date, CVV, and finalize the transaction. In a few seconds, you can check your balance on Pocket Option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.